Hi, I'm Travis with K-Guard Leaf-Free Gutter Company. One of the common questions we get asked is our product seamless? What we do is we come to every single job site with our 24-foot box truck here, and we completely make everything seamless for each individual house. So some runs are 100-foot long, some runs are 3-foot long. We make everything completely seamless right here on the job site. How the process actually works is we take this flat coil stock, it runs through the back of the machine, it goes through a series of rollers. Through those rollers, it slow bends the metal through a 17-foot long machine. The reason why the machine is longer than normal gutter company is if you bend extra thick metal too fast, it will actually cause the enamel to crack on the actual product. So what we're designed to do is to make it completely seamless, give you a lifetime paint warranty, a lifetime no clog warranty, and a lifetime no fall off the house warranty, all out of this machine right here. One thing that sets us aside is our product doesn't mount up underneath the shingles. So we take this 7.5-inch coil here and it goes through this secondary machine and it makes the actual top of the gutter. That is also made seamless. And we don't mount up underneath the shingles causing any manufacturer warranties or roof defects. We actually mount straight to the home's fascia board and it's all a complete system. We have a rear drainage channel here where the water goes over the back of the gutter, and then also the water goes over the front nose of the gutter as well, off the principle of liquid adhesion. Our product is guaranteed to handle at least minimum of 22 inches of rain per hour. There's not a rainfall in the country that we can't handle. One thing that we're here to do is answer any questions that you may have. So if there's any topics that you'd like us to shoot another YouTube video on, we will do that for you. Just enter your comments below, or feel free to contact us on the website, kguardheartland.com, or give us a call at 913-229-7550.